A YouTube Media Kit is a professional PDF showcasing your channel stats and value to brands. It's your business card for landing sponsorship. Official YouTube Media Kits are now available for YPP creators on desktop. In YT Studio, from the left menu, click Earn. Go to the BrandConnect tab. Then, in the Media Kit card, click View Media Kit. Here you can view your complete Media Kit, featuring top metrics, audience demographics, and reach, all formatted and ready for brand proposals. Current Media Kit sections are: click the Add Section button to view and choose from available cards. To customize a card, click the three dots menu. You can edit, reset, or hide the section. Click Edit. Choose relevant categories. Click Save. On the BrandConnect tab, click the Download PDF button, or go to the Overview tab. Under the Creator Support and Tools card, click Download your Media Kit. That's it, your professional Media Kit PDF is ready for export, packed with brand-ready insight.